Here's a quick assembly video for the Portek RufCut wheeled grass trimmer. In the box you will get a 2-stroke petrol engine mounted in the frame with the control handle, Power Strim 6 mulching head with adapter washers, 2 wheels with solid tyres, steel axle with washers, spacer, circlips and retaining nuts. Step 1. Assemble the handle. Rotate the handle round and tighten the knobs. Then insert it into the frame. Use the bolts and dome nuts to secure it in place. Step 2. Install the shaft. Firstly, remove the Allen screws from the clutch housing. Next, insert the brush cutter shaft into the housing. Then tighten both Allen screws. Step 3. Fit in the stone guard. Use the 3 screws to attach the line cutter blade onto the stone guard. Now fit the stone guard with the 2 Allen bolts. Step 4. Fit in the axle and wheels. Tip the machine on its side to insert the axle as shown. Use the washer, spacer and circlip on the right hand side, then slide the wheel and place a washer and a large lock nut to retain the wheel. For the left hand side, install the circlip into the groove, slide the wheel on and use a washer and a large lock nut to retain the wheel. Step 5. Throttle cable and switch wire routing. Untangle the throttle cable and run it behind the handle and round to the carburettor. Tighten the lock nut and then place the end of the throttle cable through the metal fixing on the carburettor. Next, push both switch wires together from the trigger assembly, black to black and red to red. Using the cable ties provided, secure the throttle cable to the frame. And that's the machine assembly complete. Now you can place everything in your tool bag and place this in the storage box on the machine.